Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how to use Isekai Slow Life Codes 2025 to boost your gameplay. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these codes will help you level up fast. Let's get started. Step 1. How to redeem codes. Open the game and go to the main menu. Find the codes section, usually in the settings or store. Enter the code exactly as shown. Confirm and enjoy your rewards. Step 2. Working Codes 2025. Here are some current working codes. Slow Life 2025, 500 gems and 1000 coins. Isekai Fun, 3x energy boost. Fantasy Life, 2x experience, boost relax world, exclusive skin, peaceful start, 5x farm seed packs. Enter these before they expire. Step 3. Tips for best use. Boosts wisely. Activate experience and energy boosts during tough quests or farming. Stay updated. New codes are released often, so keep an eye out on the game's social media. That's it. Use these codes and boost your progress in Isekai Slow Life Codes 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and codes updates. Happy gaming!